Hello, can you
Hello,
hear me?
ma'am. Yeah, I
Hi,
can hear you. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. Good morning, ma'am. What about you?
I am doing very well. My name is Amelia. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Samir, and I'm calling from India.
Okay, very nice.
Yes,
How can I help you today?
ma'am. I have a one question, like one topic. So my question is
Okay.
like how to destroy a fearness and how to build a confidence and how to like fear and hesitation, how to destroy. This is my question, ma'am. So please tell me.
Hmm. You mean in my personal opinion, how to get rid of fear and what else did you say? Fear and
Hesitation.
hesitation. There's a popular saying that's going around now. Even if you have a fear, you still need to do it. Because if you don't do it scared, then you will always be sitting on the sidelines. So
Okay.
you have to just go inside of yourself or just take a leap of faith. And yeah, I don't let fear keep me from doing something. Hesitation,
Uh,
the only time that I may hesitate about something is if my intuition is telling me that maybe I shouldn't do it. But
mhm.
otherwise, if I feel my intuition is in line with what I want to do, then there is no hesitation. Or if there is hesitation, then it means that it's going against my intuition and that I probably shouldn't do it. So there is a
Okay.
difference in fear and hesitation. Hesitation could mean that you need to plan some more, or it could mean
Mhm.
that this is not what you're supposed to do. But if there is something you want to do and you're just saying, I'm scared, just do it.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, actually, what happened with me, like for example, if I call with you on audio calling, then proper I can talk with you without hesitation, without fearness. But whenever I try to, in front of, in face to face, and in like present and mentally, that moment I face like some kind of low confidence and fearness and hesitation. Automatically, I have a lack of problem. So yeah, but I'm working myself. Like that's the reason I bought this thing. I came with Camly app, and I want to
Mhm.
trying with you people like how to build, how to improve, how to destroy fearness, how to build a confidence, everything. So this is great
Okay.
thing. And give me some tips like, for example, every day what should I do about fearness?
Uh,
Yeah,
say that again. About what?
about fearness, about phobia, about hesitation. For example, right now I'm speaking with you, so is that okay? This is okay. But whenever I try to in front of me, that moment I feel too nervousness. I don't know what happened with me.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Give me an example of the situation where you feel nervous.
For example, someone say that, for example, interview. It's a good
Mhm.
example, okay, interview. Yeah. Whenever I go to attend the interview and suppose interviewer tell me about yourself. So that time I feel too nervous, like I feel too hesitation. I just speak like few words, few sentence. So how to build, like
Oh,
how to start a conversation and make an interest and without hesitation, without like fearness to talk in front of people easy way. So please tell me what should I do, like
okay. All
yeah.
right. So, using the example you mentioned about an interview, if you are having an
Mhm.
interview, honestly, it is about preparation and practice. So, there are lots of sites out there that tells you the most common interview questions, and I will actually share a link with you that gives the top 40 interview questions. And this site is a human resources and recruiting site, and it tells you the
Mhm.
right and wrong way to answer these questions. Let's use the example, tell me about yourself. a lot of people make a mistake when they answer this question. They usually say, my name is Amelia. I graduated from East Carolina University. I have a degree. Guess what? They already know this because you wrote it on your resume. That is not what
Yeah.
they are looking for. When they say, tell me about yourself, this is an opportunity for you to define who you are professionally. Okay? So tell me
Mhm.
about yourself. So I am an educator. I'm a trained sociologist who has 6 years of international experience working and teaching abroad. I would talk about myself in that way, in the achievements that I have done. The reason why is because every company or every whatever, they have a problem that they want to know that you can solve. So they want to know that you can
Okay.
get results. So you need to take
Mhm.
confidence in your experience and what you have already achieved if you're asking, if you're answering a question like that. I actually don't like interviews. I think interviews are the worst way to determine who you should hire. But
Okay.
companies still do job interviews. The reason why is
Okay.
because sometimes people, they are the best candidate, but they don't know how to communicate and express themselves. Or you can get
Mhm.
someone who is a master at communicating and selling themselves, even selling themselves when they have no achievements.
Yeah.
And that person
Yeah.
gets the job, and then 6 months later, they have quit because they don't like the job.
Mhm.
So yeah, you
Yes.
just got to think about it like that. And come on to Cambly and practice with us. This is an
Yes.
opportunity
Yes.
to talk to so many different people.
Yeah, like today is like my fifth day, so I'm enjoying with you people. I learn lots of things like how to destroy and how to speak in front of people. Everything like grammar part little bit and English part and communication like thing and culture also I learn about on Camly. So
Mm-hmm.
it's going to fantastic. This is going to fantastic. And second example, like for if I meet my friend circle in group gather of people, so over there also like people were telling good conversation. But if I tell in those people like share my idea, hey guys, can I tell something? So that moment, like I feel to I have a lack of vocabulary problem firstly, so that's
Mm.
the reason I do not proper speak in front of people. Always, I know that like what is a structure, what is a grammar part, what is a like how to use the word and sentence. I know, but whenever go to speak in front of people with group discussion with my friend circle, then automatically I feel a new confidence, fearness, and hesitation. And sometimes I feel too like a shy. I don't know
Uh-huh.
why.
Yeah.
Seriously,
So,
yeah.
do you feel like you can't remember the words that you want to say when speaking to someone in English? Is that what you mean?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah, absolutely, you're
you
right.
know what? This is an
Mhm.
interesting thing about foreign language acquisition or language acquisition. So we have active vocabulary and we have inactive vocabulary. So, for example, if you are reading these words that you want to say, you're going to know them and you're going to recognize them. But because this is not your first language or your primary language that you use, when you go to speak, you can't retrieve it because it's inactive. It hasn't been activated yet. The only way to get over that is to
Mhm.
practice. Speaking practice, speaking
Okay.
practice about many different topics.
Yeah.
And don't
Yeah, this is great thing like a topic.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, a topic. And
Mhm.
don't be afraid to do scripts. So this is a strategy of a polyglot. I learned this many years ago. But there's an Irish polyglot. He's
Mhm.
actually a very popular blogger. And he one of the things he teaches is basically it's like, become conversationally fluent in 3 months. And he said, and his goal is to speak
Mhm.
from day one. The way to do this is to write
Okay.
scripts. So let's say
Yeah.
you go to a different country, and you want to go to a bar. You need to know every possible word that you might hear in that bar. Forget about the grammar. You're going into that bar
Mhm.
because you're new in this country. You want to make friends. So you are going to study before you go. You're going to study and learn and
Okay.
memorize a script. And then you go into the bar. You're going to hear these words and you're going to say, oh my goodness, I learned these things. And you can carry a conversation. We call
Okay.
that scripting in the language world. So that's another thing you can do. Before
Mhm.
your job interview, write it out. Practice it, practice it, practice it. Eventually it becomes natural. Do you understand?
Yeah. And see, like in here, yeah, I understand everything. In here, in my side, like in my area, in my city, I don't have a partner. So that's why reason sometimes I feel to, like low and feel to hesitation because I did not practice proper like whole day.
Mhm.
I was just thinking like right now and in night time, in evening time. But if you talk about whole day, I did not practice myself because of people. How many time talk to ourselves? Like one has to have that ability.
Mhm.
So that's why reason it's very complicated for me, and I'm trying to learn myself. Like always, like whatever I go to outside, then learn about something, a topic. What I'm doing, everything I am explaining myself. Like this is right, this is wrong. How to call, how to discuss a topic, how to talk in with front of people, how to speak politely. Everything I'm learning myself. So I don't know I'm right and wrong, but I'm doing myself every
Mhm.
day. And every day I talk in front of mirror. It's gonna help
Yes, of
on me
course.
because lots of people tell me, yeah, lots of people tell me like Samir, if you want to really improve your English language, if you destroy your fearness and hesitation, just go to front of mirror and talk about yourself, talk about culture, talk about
Mhm.
topic. It's gonna help because there you can improve yourself like you have a partner
Exactly.
yourself in front of mirror.
Yes, you should definitely do that. That
Happen.
is a very good thing to do. And so I would tell you something. I'm currently living in Mexico. So when I first came here, I just knew some basic Spanish. I'm still very much a beginner, but I needed to learn how to do a few things. Like if I go to the shop,
Okay.
if I go to the butcher shop or whatever, I need to know how to talk to them because they don't speak any English. So I had to learn, okay, how do I
Okay.
say all of these things? And here in Mexico,
Okay.
one of the things you would notice is every time you go in the store, you always greet the person. In America, we don't necessarily speak to
Mhm.
people just because we walked inside. But here,
Okay.
whether you see the person or not, you
Mhm.
should greet them. Hola, buenos dias, hola, buenas tardes. Even if you don't see them, they will
Yes.
respond. And because it's a very
Okay.
personal culture, you should get to know these people. And so I needed to know how to ask for certain things. I needed to know how to say it in the quantity and all of these things. So I practice it. Even if it's just like 10 minutes before I
Okay.
go to the store and I just go and then I can
Mhm.
say it. After I do it one or two times, it's now in my head. I remember. So it is also learning what you
Okay.
need to know. I call it functional fluency. You need to know how to function in the
Okay.
language first, and all the other stuff will
Yeah.
eventually take care of itself.
Yeah. Right. And by the way, ma'am, we have a short period. I think so. 1 minute is remaining. So can we talk about like this introduction? Actually, in your behind something like painting. So
Oh,
what is that? It's look like
it's the
fantastic
elephant,
elephant.
yes.
Okay.
So,
That's
yeah,
great.
so
Yeah, it's nice
thank you
picture.
so much. So, I am Amelia. I'm American, but I've been living abroad for almost 8 years. I lived in Korea for many years, and I've been in Mexico now for
Okay.
1 year. And I bought this because I said,
Mhm.
okay, I need something on this wall. And I love the picture.
Okay. So So do you like to
I
animals?
love animals, and elephants are one of my favorite
Yeah.
animals. I like them so much.
Oh,
I
that's
think that they
great.
are very smart. They're very wise, and this animal has a lot of feelings, and their memory
Yes,
is
yes, yes.
good.
Okay, that's great. So, ma'am, I think so we're done. So, thank you very much for conversation, and definitely I'll connect next time. Okay, and thank you very much for suggesting me. And
Bye bye.
bye bye. Have a nice